going to show you how to make flaming animated text. Now the first thing that I want you to know is that I'm going to be using a plugin called iCandy, and the filter setting is going to be fire. You don't need this plugin in order to make the effect. You can use like a fire render and have it on like different height and width in order to make it kind of look like it's moving. Basically all you would have to do is just follow this rule of three that I'm about to do, and it would look similar. Okay, so first thing that I have done is I've preset my text to be how I want it to be before I do the animation, which is a rule of thumb that I always stick by. Before you do animation, just make sure that your text is exactly how you want it to be so you don't lose anything. Okay, now after I've done that, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to duplicate it 2 more times. So I have the original, and I'm going to put that on the eye, and then I'll come back over here, and here's my third. And then I'm going to come back down to the original, go over to the filter, eye candy, click on the fire setting, and just kind of play around with whatever, like flames that I like the most. And then once I'm satisfied with the flames, I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to come back down here where it says new frame, and I'm going to make a new one, and then I'm going to see my original text. I'm going to click on the eye so that it's not visible on the second layer. And then I'm going to come back to this one where it says text 2, and then I'm going to go back to the iCandy filter, click on the fire setting, and just do a random seed because I've already preset the style flame that I want, and this is just going to make the flames in a different direction. And then after I'm done that, I'm going to do the same thing that I just did for the first one, which is again put the eye down on the text 2 and put the eye visible for text 3, and then go over here to iCandy and add the flames. The next thing that I'm going to do is come over here to the little drop down button, click on select all frames, right click, and click 1 second. This is the time frame that I do it for that, because if you have it on no delay, it moves way too fast. You can maybe put it on 2 or 3 seconds, but I think 1 works the best. It's not too fast and it's not too slow, so it works really well. And then I'm going to run animation just to see if it works well. And you guys can see that it looks like it's burning flame. And then I'm going to come over here to File, Save for Web and Devices. And again, note that if you have a background, in which case I have a black background, I will not need a matte. But if I didn't have a black background and this was transparent, then I would just save it with the black, and that would just make it a little rim, because if you save it without none, it kind of makes it look like it's like white splatter at the edge or something like that. So like a noise kind of thing. So this way you have a clear, crisp background and you're done. So there you go, guys. I hope that helped. Thanks for watching.